How can I get automatic notifications of job deliveries and tracking data in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro has a comprehensive notification service that allows you to receive automatic notifications on job deliveries and tracking data. To define which types of notifications to receive and how, open the main menu and go to Notification Subscriptions under Utility. Here, you will see a list of the 4 types of notifications available. The first thing that you can decide is whether you want the notifications to be emailed to you or shown as pop-up notifications when you log into the LISTSERV Maestro interface. You can also opt to receive the notifications in the LISTSERV Maestro mobile companion app once you've downloaded it from the App Store. Beyond that, you can decide whether to receive all notification messages or alerts only. Alerts are defined as scenarios when something goes wrong or if certain metrics aren't met. For instance, job delivery notifications are sent out whenever a mail job has been processed. If you sign up for alerts only, this means that you don't receive notifications about successful deliveries, only if the delivery fails for some reason. Tracking statistics notifications are sent out after a configurable number of days and contains the main open up, click, and bounce metrics for a job. An alert is defined as a job that failed to meet the expected metrics. The summary report is sent out weekly or monthly and contains metrics for all jobs sent by your group during this period. Again, the notification is defined as an alert if the metrics fail to meet expectations. Finally, the Subscriber Warehouse Health Report is a weekly report that focuses on the growth of your subscriber lists. This report is defined as an alert if your list growth rate didn't meet expectations or if there was unexpected shrinkage. Use the pull-down menus to select the types of notifications that you want to receive, followed by OK. Now, use the main menu and go to General Settings and Defaults under Utility. Here you can define the alert thresholds and expected metrics for your mail jobs. For example, if you define a successful job as one that has a minimum open-up rate of 25%, a click rate of 5%, and a bounce rate of less than 2%, you can enter the numbers here. Likewise, you can enter the minimum acceptable growth or maximum acceptable shrinkage of your subscriber lists for the Subscriber Warehouse Health Report. The wait time for when the tracking statistics notifications are sent out can also be defined here. Finally, the lower section lets you decide who among your team members should receive the notifications. You can even add special email addresses of people who should receive them. These thresholds and settings can be changed at any time and make it easy for you to keep up to date on all of your important metrics. Thank you for watching.